Hi everybody, it's Claire from Cricut. Today I'm going to walk you through how I was able to use my Cricut Maker to create a faux subway tile backsplash for my kitchen. If you're like me, you've seen it, subway tiles everywhere. It's in the kitchen, it's in the bathroom, but if you're also like me, you can't commit. You're always changing your mind, but you want a way to brighten up and freshen up your kitchen. So you can kind of see it behind me. I've kind of already gotten started, but today I'm going to walk you through how simple and easy this project is using removable white vinyl. Okay, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we do is we come into Design Space where I've already created a faux subway tile project, or you can find the perfect size, shape, rectangle right within Design Space that you need. Let's go in and customize. I went in and made these approximately 3 inches by 6.5, but that only allows for 4 tiles to be displayed on a 12 by 12 mat. If you were to manipulate that by about 1/4 inch, you'd be able to get 5 tiles. But the 3 by 6.5 is what I needed for my kitchen. Okay, so you go in, customize, make, and cut some tiles. Okay, so now what you have is essentially a bunch of rectangle stickers. And you can either use transfer tape and you can methodically space everything out about 1/4 inch, top, bottom, sides on transfer tape and then transfer that onto the wall. Or if you're like me and you want to be a little bit more quick about it, but still precise, you can peel and stick. And then I was using a measuring tape to make sure that I had 1/4 inch around each side. So let me show you the final look because it's really great. But again, it's literally that easy. It's a stick and it's a peel. It's time consuming, but it's simple. As you can see with the stick and peel method, I just measured every time I stuck one to the wall, 1/4 inch on each side before placing the next tile. So if you get up close, you can really see that it's just a sticker on the wall, and the eggshell color of my wall gives it that great grout look. And then if I pan back, you just get this gorgeous faux subway tile feel. It makes my kitchen look bigger and brighter, and I absolutely love the finished result. Okay, so you've gotten to see the final result, which I think turned out really, really great, and it brightens up my kitchen. This project cost me $15 worth of bulk vinyl, and if I had gone online and I had ordered those pre-made subway tile wallpaper strips, it would have cost me upwards of $150. This project took me the afternoon, so I saved time, I saved money, but most importantly, I had a lot of fun. And I can't wait to see all of your home renovation projects, and thank you so much for joining me.